Good day, guys. So today we'll be unboxing this piece of technology right here, and this is for cleaning our air conditioning unit. So let's do it.
Oh yeah!
So here's our product. There's that red tube that we're going to use to spray this material into our air conditioning unit. So let's detach it from the canister. Okay, so this product is from UNCLOG Corporation, as you can see there, and it is 626 ml in terms of contents, and there are really easy to follow instructions in here on how to use it. So apparently we'll just need this nozzle right here, which we will be detaching in a moment. So easy to use, removes bad odors, no germs, no need for dismantling the air conditioning unit, energy efficiency, and increases service life. So there. So the instructions are in the back of the canister, right there. Right, so one instruction that I got here is please shake well before use. We have this red plastic tube which we can use to use the contents right here. We just have to insert it on the nozzle right here, and it also comes with a small or rather a short plastic transparent hose right here, which I assume you can also use for spraying the content by just attaching it as well to the nozzle right here. Right? Okay, so let's get the cleaning then, and let's see if this thing works. Right? So let's go unclog. Okay, so as we have seen, we have also partially cleaned the air conditioning unit right here. So if you can see here, it's a bit cleaner than before, right? So now we're going to try the UNCLOG technology on our air conditioning unit. So we're going to spray it in here on the fins and on the blower down here. Right, so after spraying the entire fins of the air conditioning unit, here's how it looks. The actual fins, the blowers downstairs. So now we have to wait for 30 minutes for it to do its job. So I'll get back to you after 30 minutes, alright?
A few moments later. Many minutes later.
Okay, so after 30 minutes, seems like most of it have dissipated, and what we have sprayed earlier from the canister is almost all gone. But some bubbles left in there, but yeah, underneath there's still some left, so it's still dripping. There's still some excess materials in there from the canister, or well, shall we say UNCLOG material. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but that's the UNCLOG material in action. So something like a raindrop sound. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to wipe the excess material, UNCLOG material on our unit, so that we can put the unit back together in one piece. Okay, we have wiped the excess material, UNCLOG material in here. So that's what it looks like. And now we're going to put the unit back together. Yeah, we already put it back together. All the filters and stuff is now in there. So we're gonna close it up and turn the AC back on. Alright? And hopefully the UNCLOG technology works. So let's close it up. Now we will turn it back on. There you go. So yeah, after using the UNCLOG technology to clean the AC unit, I would definitely say that now it runs stronger, more vigor on the fans.
Perfect.
And the unit definitely puts out a colder breeze
You win.
than before. So I would definitely say that this technology, Unclog, really works. Now I should be able to save on electricity while enjoying my AC unit for a longer period of time with lower power consumption, of course. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the Unclog technology to be used on cleaning your AC unit for better performance. So if you liked our video today, guys, please toss a like down there, and please subscribe to our channel to show your support, so that you'll get notified as well when we upload our videos. And again, this is Abner's Reviews, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.